Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to adjust the height of the string lines on this Weedtrimmer. It's a Craftman and a walk behind Craftman. And sometimes you need to cut your grass a little taller than it is just because it's way too high. So in order to adjust the height, you need to change the way the trimmer lines are. So for example, in this case, it's very low, and that's for when your grass is already low. But if you grass is way too tall, then you may need or may want to put it higher. So you can start there, and then when you have your field already maintained, then you can then use your strings a little bit lower. So in order to do that, I'm going to show you. First, I'm going to clean it inside because there's a lot of grass on it. So what I need to do first is to take this bolt right here. It's a 7/16 inch. So I'm gonna take it apart. I'm gonna stop the video for a while because I need two hands and I'm using my other hand to hold the phone. So hold on a minute. Okay, now that the bolt is loose, I can take this apart. As you can see, this is a whole bolt that holds into place this lower part here. Once you remove this, then you can put this aside. And then in order to take this part apart from the axis, you need to press on this button down and inward, and it comes right off. And then I'm going to show you the mechanism on how that works. Okay, so at this point what I did was that I dismounted the head from the trimmer, and I saw the mechanism inside. As you can see, this is what helps you to adjust the trimmer line on the trimmer head. And what you need to do is you have to, this lever that comes out, you have to push it down and then inward, and that will help you. As you can see, let's see the mechanism. When you press in, it allows you to move up or down the mechanism, the trimmer head and the trimmer line in the walk behind trimmer. So here's the mechanism again, and just to let you know, it comes apart so you can clean it better. I put some WD-40 on it so it makes it easier to handle. So make sure you also clean the inside of it. There's a lot of grass there when you use it, so just make sure that you clean it up and dry it, and then put some WD-40 or any other lubricant that you rather have. Since I already dismounted the head, I wanted to show you the axis on the trimmer. And as you can see, that mechanism latches into these grooves on the axis of the trimmer. So that's how you adjust the height of the trimmer line. I'm going to show you with the other part inside. I'm going to put some WD-40 here to facilitate the movement of it. So hold on a minute. So here's how you set the height. Again, you need to put it back the head of where the trimmer goes. Remember to push in this part here in order to get into the axis. Put it back, and there you go. And now when you put it back and you press here, you have to press down and inside, and now you can select the height that you want the trimmer to be at. You push it up, and it clicks back, and now you're in one of the groups. And if you want it higher, again, press down, in, and you can set the height to a different level. If you want it higher, you keep going up, and then it clicks and it stays on the position that you want to leave it, right? So you can see here the grooves. That's the size, the height and level that you want to use your machine. I always use it on the lowest one because that's how I rather use the machine. And sometimes when you push this button and it won't press in, it's because there's a lot of grass inside of that part here. So that's why you have to clean it very, very good. So make sure you do that, and don't forget to lubricate it after you're done washing it. And now that it is assembled, you can see that you can again press this and move up or down, in this case up, and set it to this height, for example. That's way too high. That's when you want to like cut very tall grass. And then if you have been already maintenance your field, then you can put down and then adjust to that level. Hope this video have helped you. For those who didn't know how to adjust the height on the walk behind trimmer mower. So have a great day.